video, guys. So this is episode 2, and it's costing 50 Kenya shilling. That's $half from Boabab, where I'm staying to Congo River. Like a nice restaurant. Oh, look at that, man. Alright, guys. So tomorrow, when I do my last video here at Diani, because I said I'm gonna be here for 2 days. I'm gonna be going to Mombasa. So if you're watching this and you're in Mombasa, you want to hang up, you want to link up, just let me know in the comments section. Alright. Yeah. Let's go and find the sunset. Maybe we'll find something to do. So I just spend the whole day in the house just editing videos and posting, replying to your comments. So nothing really much. Yeah. Sanja. Hello guys. So that was a nice tuk-tuk ride from my hotel coming to Congo River. I just want to go and check out Congo River, find the sunset. I don't know, the sun is behind me. I don't know if the lighting is okay for my video. It might be awkward because I'm walking opposite my video, but anyway, so I'm going to see the sunset. Someone recommended this for me, so yeah, let's go and find out if we can see the sunset from Congo River. So when you're coming here, you have to, someone told me you have to come and alight there. It's called the Congo Mosque, something like that. I don't know where the mosque is, but yeah, looks green. This is how it looks like walking here on the road that goes to Congo River. So Congo River has like Congo Beach, yeah, and then that's according to what I researched. Okay, so it's not like something that I've already found out, but it's something that we're going to find out, me and you. Okay, so let's just go and find out because someone just recommended that to me. So Congo River and Congo Beach. And I love the weather. I love the weather so far. This is the episode 2. So if you're watching me, make sure you subscribe on this video. And thank you so much for all those who are watching my videos. This is a very costly and expensive trip that I'm spending here at Kenya coast, more so here in Diani. You know, Diani is very expensive because it's more touristy, but it's not that touristy at this moment. It's not very crowded and a lot of people around here. All right, yeah guys, do you like my glasses? All right, let's go to Congo River. What's up guys? So we are here at the Congo River, and oh my gosh, look at these tides. Oh my gosh, wow, this is so beautiful. I bet you guys want to come here, right? Because this is so beautiful. Looking at this heights here. Oh, look at that. And they're so huge. I just want to get some pictures and some videos and nice clips from here. But oh, the water. Oh my gosh. I thought I saw big waves yesterday from my hotel, but these ones, they're so huge. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so this is the ocean and the Congo River is somewhere there. So that's what I want to go and show you right now. So this feels so good being here, this experience. Just experiencing this by myself, you know, and coming along with you guys. I don't know why, but they have a red flag here. I think it's a place where you're not supposed to cross, right? So I'm just gonna go and look at the Congo River from the other side, because the Congo River is just over somewhere there. I'm doing good. How are you?
Fine, welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, from Nairobi?
No, I'm from around.
From around?
Yeah.
Oh.
I stay around here.
Stay around it in Diani.
Yes.
Which kind of the village or which kind of apartment?
Ah.
Or in the hotel?
No, I don't stay at hotel. I stay at one of the houses.
Apartment.
Yeah, in one of the apartments. Yeah.
Welcome so much.
Thank you.
Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna
But
Matata.
Original from
I'm a Kenyan.
Kenyan?
Yes.
Oh, original from which province? Nyanza, Coast province?
How do I look like? You can tell. How do I look like?
You look like Kikuyu.
Like a Kikuyu?
Yes.
I wish I was. I could have a lot of money.
Not all Kikuyu, they have a lot of money.
But most of them do.
Yeah, because they work in the government.
Yeah, but I'm a Kamba.
A lot of money. You're Kamba?
Yes, I'm a Kamba. Which tribe are you?
Me?
Yeah.
You can try?
Mijikenda?
Yeah, Mijikenda, but we are 9 tribe.
Acholi? Huh?
No, I'm Digo.
Giriama?
Digo.
Digo?
Yeah, Digo.
Oh, Digo, they have very beautiful ladies.
If you get one lady from Digo, you
Yes.
won't go back to Kambani.
Yes. But I'm already married.
You have already married? That's
Yes.
good.
Yes, I'm already married.
And where is your wife?
My wife
Yes.
is back at the house. I left her in the house.
Back to the beach.
She has been here so many times. Yeah, I'm just here to show my friends around the world. I have a lot of friends from the US, from South Africa, so they want me to show them the ocean so that they can come here.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's good. When you come here, you have to show them the ocean and you show them to drink coconuts. That is the most people.
I showed them yesterday. I was at how do you call it? Next to Boabab restaurant. Yeah.
Amigos.
No, Boabab resort.
Boabab Resort.
Yes. I went there, and then there was a friend who sold me one. And then I showed them.
And today you buy another one.
Oh, I wish I had the money.
From Congo. Not expensive, like in Baobab. Here it's cheaper than Baobab.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you, brother.
Take your time.
Okay. Oh, that was a nice guy trying to sell me coconut. Guys, I love coconut, but I didn't really want to make him feel so bad, you know. Yeah. But so we're expecting the sun to be going down that side. So we're expecting to see the sunset on that side. So I'm just gonna chill and wait for the sunset. That's why I'm here. All right. And tell me if you're from Mombasa, because we're coming there tomorrow. Where do you think I should go? which is one of those places that you want me to go, or things that you want me to do, or which kind of food or where do you suggest me I should go and find some food for me to review the cost of food? Because I tried looking for food here at Diani, but I can't find anywhere. I don't know why, but I can't find anywhere where I can find like street food for the cost here. But just to say, at my hotel I didn't film that, but last night I had biryani. It was so good, the best, you know. It was the best biryani I've ever had. All right, I wish I could swim here. I wish guys I could just go inside the water and swim, but today, just like yesterday, I never brought my swimming costume, and this one seems like it has a lot of people more than yesterday, but the sand is white and all that, so let's just chill. I don't know where, but I just want to chill and then wait. So guys, so this is the sunset, and this is why we came here. And now here you can see the sunset from here. You get that nice view from Congo River, and that's why you should make a decision of coming here, because you'll get this nice shot. Maybe you can come here and swim, but for me, I've just been sitting here and doing nothing because I don't bring my swimming costume. Oh, the sun is back. So guys, when you come to Congo River, one thing that you have to try is just coming and sitting next to the ocean. So the river is on that side where we have the sunset, and then this side is where we have the ocean. And one thing that I think it just caught my eyes is just the waves from here at the ocean. So I think it's something that you should come and try looking at, and I think I'll get some nice shots and I will post them on Instagram, so go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok as well. I'm going to be posting them there on Facebook. So I want to show you, look at this. So guys, this is the sunset from here at Congo River. This is why I came here. Right guys, I don't know if you can see me nicely, but I'm sun-kissed by the sunset. It's the sun is going down. You can see it from there. The sun is going down. It's getting late. It's almost 6, almost. Let me see. Let me confirm that. Yeah, almost 6. Half an hour to 6. So it's been nice waiting for this sunset and finally getting it right there with the shadow at the water. And then, so this will be the second episode. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like my video. Make sure to subscribe, guys. We want to hit 20,000 subscribers before I finish this Mombasa tour for the next 2 weeks. So you better give me those subscriptions, likes and recommendations so to your friends. Share my videos. Okay, so I'll see you on the next one. It looks like here they usually have nightlife, so that might be the next video that I'm going to be doing. But for now, goodbye. See you on the next one. My name is Nzioka.